मेरा नाम संजीव है एंड हमने ट्रेसेंटो में इन्वेस्ट किया है। गौर की प्रोजेक्ट है ग्रेटर नोएडा में गोल्फ कोर्स के अंदर। बेसिकली एक इन्वेस्टर हूँ और डिफरेंट प्रोजेक्ट्स में मैं डालता रहता हूँ एंड गौर के साथ मैं पहली बार एसोसिएट हुआ हूँ।
I'm an old-time investor with Gores. I have purchased multiple properties with Gores, including Gore World Smart Street, Gore Island, and Gore Trecento.
I have just invested into this project of Gorsons. I was not expecting the kind of growth, kind of ambience, and kind of project they will be making, and the kind of valuation and kind of things they have created. It's phenomenal.
पहली बार मैं जनवरी 2023 में यहाँ जेपी ग्रीन देखने आया था अपनी लाइफ में, और अंदर देखने के बाद मैंने फैसला उसी वक्त कर लिया था कि मेरे को अगर फ्लैट लेना है तो यहीं पर ही लूंगा। मैं अपनी जिंदगी में मैं समझता हूँ सबसे बेस्ट जो प्रॉपर्टी अपने बाई किया है वो यही है।
All my life I have been looking for a board in pristine circumstances or location such as a golf course, and finally we found this, and we are so happy and we are so enthusiastically looking forward to the completion of the project.
Looks like a dream, I mean, such kind of project which is just sitting in front of your home itself, and you are sitting on the 11th floor, seeing the golf in front of you, or that too, the largest golf course. I think you can't expect even this kind of thing can be delivered by anybody else.
Throughout our whole experience has been very smooth. The whole team of Gore has been very warm to us. They have been very understanding and explaining at every point. They have made this experience of investing very smooth for us as an investor. As a buyer, we are very satisfied.
Obviously, the layout is very astonishing. The structure overall is probably one of the best in Delhi NCR. Now when we see the experience center, when we have visualized it in the experience center and visited the actual site, things are coming up pretty good.
After visiting the site when the construction is going on, what I observed is that the height is being provided is more than 11 to 13 feet. And at that height, sitting at that level and seeing towards the golf, looks like a dream,
13 फीट हाइट मेरे ख्याल से हमारे को दिल्ली में तो मिलती नहीं है यार। ये सबसे बेस्ट पार्ट इस फ्लैट का यही है, 13 फीट।
The moment you enter the premises of JP Greens, you feel as if you have come into a different place because you are breathing a purer air.
दिल्ली में हम लोग को पोल्यूशन मिलता है, वो पोल्यूशन नहीं है यहाँ, जिसके लिए मैं समझता हूँ कि यहाँ पे आकर के अपनी उम्र को और बढ़ाया जा सकता है।
The USP which I have found very amusing with Gore Trecento is the location and the near about facilities which is there nearby Gore Trecento.
यहाँ पर हर फैसिलिटी जो आप एक ड्रीम कर सकते हो है। आज के टाइम पे आप दिल्ली बोलिए या फिर आप कहीं और बोलिए, इतनी कंजेस्टेड हो चुकी है जगह, इतनी डेंस हो चुकी है, उसके कंपैरिजन इट्स लाइक अ ड्रीम।
And you get all the kind of amenities available in nearby areas like schools, colleges, 5-star hotels, spa centers, a very good club. All the golf course facilities are available next to your apartment.
के आगे जैसे मंदिर है, यहाँ के बड़ी बड़ी रोड्स हैं
And a very biodiversity park with a huge lake and ponds. So all in all, it's a very good location to be in.
Overlooking golf course is really dream. This is what dreams are made of. And this is what we have been looking for, and this is what we came here for.
One of the best part of staying in JP Greens is that is a ready to move in society.
और ये एक आर्ट के ऊपर बेस्ड है, मोर ऑफ ए रेनेसांस which is European theme, which is very not just unique, very innovative also.
पहली बार मैं अपनी वाइफ को 1.5 साल में पहली बार लेकर के आया हूँ। इसकी पहली बार देखने के बाद इन्होंने फैसला किया कि नहीं, हम लोग यहीं आके रहेंगे, जिसके लिए मैं गौर को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ कि भगवान को समझाना आसान है लेकिन वाइफ को समझाना बड़ा मुश्किल है।
Because the project has been so close to my heart now that we have decided to move here.
So we are very happy, and I thank you all associated with Gorsons for making our dream come true.
My best wishes that Gorson goes to other part of the country also, so that they become global.
Last, I'd like to say all the best to Gores and hope they flourish and they keep on coming with more such projects with good amenities and better locations. Thank you.